Hey there everybody, it's Nikki Jordan here with Got Space, and I am going to use these Yamuna balls to do a kind of push-up with my legs that will strengthen my belly. And I just tried this because I wanted to do it with some weight on my legs, and my stomach isn't strong enough. I must have done something the other day with my belly exercises that made them kind of hard, or I should say tight. So here's two black Yamuna balls. They're calf balls. If you want some, just contact me, and I'm going to put them at the base of my sacrum here as I lie down. Okay, so get over far enough so I've got them right on either side of the sacrum, and I'm having my knees, my legs are perpendicular to the floor, and I'm just lifting my legs up. And I tried to put a 10-pound weight on my legs, a sandbag, and my belly wasn't having it. So the purpose of these black balls are to protect my lower back and keep this exercise in my belly and not tightening up my lower back. So all I'm doing is pushing my legs up, and it's strengthening my core here. Okay, so then I'm going to take my legs in an L shape, and I'm going to take my knees out to the side and push up, and I'm going to imagine that I'm pushing something very like a weight machine. And this is really critical, to have something underneath your lower back, or your sacrum in this case, these Yamuna balls. Bringing them together. One more, and then I'm going to do the other leg lift again. So the other one's, my legs will come down, and then I'm pushing up, and I'm feeling like I'm pushing up something while drawing my belly tight. Okay, and I can tell that I've injured something, I think, on my right side, because it doesn't function the same way. And then I'm going to go out again and push center. So I'm using one of those weight machines where it's really hard to push it inward, because you can imagine that, and it will engage your core. Imagine that. And then I'll do another one of these. And then pushing up, it's like I'm pushing up, like I'm actually sitting down and using one of those leg weight machines, pushing up something very difficult to push up. As I said, putting weights on here didn't work for me, obviously, because I seem to have something wrong on my right side. And then I'll do this again. So pushing, letting the legs come out and pushing against something that's not there, but you can imagine it there, and your body will make it happen. Make it happen. You can feel that. Okay, I'm going to lift the balls up and take them out. Lie flat. You can feel that you're way flatter when you use these. It saves your lower back. And as I said, if you want a pair, you can always contact me, because we can get them sent to you. Okay, so this is day 12. I did 2 on one day because I skipped a day. Day 12 of awareness about mental health. And certainly the online school is affecting kids. I know, I can see, they kind of don't know what to do with themselves sometimes. We had some over here doing online school together. It was great for them. And then the absence of it today, you can feel it. And then it's really toxic outside. It's so toxic, the county sent us all emails, don't go outside if you don't have to. So what would it take for this to end really soon? They say it's going to end on Sunday, or it's going to start clearing on Sunday. This isn't permanent, and if we can get people to realize things are not permanent when they're necessarily bad, then they can see it in a different light. And yesterday I just decided I'm not going to care about this anymore. This is what happens when 3.3 million acres burn. What can we say? California burned 3.3 million acres. This is what happens. We're going to have to make some new choices, folks, and we all know it. We all know it. Doesn't matter how many times you put your head in the sand or you rationalize it away or whatever, but we know it's there. Okay, have a nice day.